Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to do a eyeshadow, you guys, of this palette. And you remember years ago we have Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and they at that time there was such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Well, I come across this one and it's a Wet n Wild eye and fear palette. So I'm gonna try it out. I don't know, maybe it's for kids or whatever, but this is the palette, you guys, and I am going to try it out on my eyes. These are the color. So you have that come into this color 8 and 8 16 color in this little palette, and look at this blue. They are magnificent, they are beautiful. So today we are going to go into this palette and we are going to try out this eye shadow palette today. So if it's your first time here, my name is J Spark Makeup, and I just want to welcome you to my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell that when I upload a video you can be notified. So let's continue watching and see how this color turn out. So you guys, first thing I am going to go into today, and I'm gonna go into this color here. It's sort of like a pale greenish but not bright greenish, and I'm going to apply it over here to my brow bone, and I'm just gonna apply it, come down to my inner corner, my crease here, come down on the lid. And this is something that you could wear alone if you're not into really like color. I think this is something that would suit a person who like to go natural and not into color. So, and I'm gonna apply it over to the next eye here and underneath the brow bone. You know, guys, I have this YouTube channel for a long time, like a couple years now. And you know, I have a friend that I spoke to sometime, and she always said that she putting out video there for people to watch. If they don't want to watch it, fine. And I sometimes I feel the same way, but sometimes I feel, and this channel sometimes I feel a bit discouraged. Like I'm saying to myself, am I putting out video? Am I putting out the right thing? Because as I said, I have two channels. One of them with hair care, skin care, and this one here with makeup. And I have been having this one like for years now. Before I had the other one and I wasn't using it until about a year and a half ago I started to use it. So, and it's progressing, I can say that I'm really grateful. So today we are going to go into, oh my god, look at these color, you guys. These blue are beautiful. So let's go into these blue. This is blue, a blue here. This one is a blue, and this is really a standout color for the eye. So I'm gonna go into this one here, this blue, and I'm just gonna bring it here. Although I know that I just did a blue color some time ago, but this one, I'm trying out this palette for the first time, and as I said, it's Wet n Wild. The palette name is Fear or whatever. What's the palette name? It's eye and face palette, so you can use this whatever you want to do. And I'm just applying it to the outer corner of my eyes here, and you can see how beautiful these colors are blending. Yeah, so let's talk about the channel. Sometimes I ask myself, should I just give up off this channel and don't bother with it, and then just keep the one that I had? And but then it's fun because if you're on the channel and you want to upload a video, you can upload a video. I mean, you can do makeup. You don't have to be a makeup artist to do yourself, do a nice look. And that's the thing with me, I like sometimes to come on, sit down to do a makeup, talk to you guys, you know. I mean, just have a conversation. Although some of my video them I don't want to talk, but sometimes I'm in the mood to talk. So then when I'm in the mood to talk, I do talk. And you know, it's so nice, especially when you find something that affordable like this. You know, years ago I remember when I started to do makeup, and when I go out there and I hunt for eyeshadow, when I find a eyeshadow like this, you know, I smile. I have that really nice smile on my face. Like, I am so happy with the palette. And this is how I feel about this one. Although it's from Wet n Wild, and although you guys, you know, it have this really color that really intriguing. Like, the color them are so intriguing. You can do what you want to do, and as I said, you know, practice become perfect. You don't have to be I don't think you have to be like a makeup artist to do a look. Do what you want to, or your face or yourself. Put your work out there. Somebody, you know, years ago, I remember when I was doing makeup, I was working this place. At the time, I always worked. And I have this girl, and she said she was going out, and she said that she wanted to do makeup, but she never understand nothing about it. And then she remembered that whenever I come to work in the morning, I always put on some makeup on her to go upstairs, do her job. And she said, while she was talking, I said, oh, I wish, like, she, you know, she was saying that she wish I was there. And somebody said, check, she have a video on Facebook, check on Facebook. And she said she checked on Facebook and she find the video, and that was the video. That was the video that really helped her to apply makeup. And at the time, I didn't even know about makeup like how I know about it now. Maybe I don't do it that often, but now I understand makeup, and I love makeup. Makeup is something that is a passion for me that I like to do, and you know, I feel good about doing it. So let's go into this color right here. I'm gonna go into this color, this one here, and I'm gonna see if I can bring it into my inner eyes here. Yeah, so the lady was telling me, she said, you know what, when I was talking about it, and I said, oh my God, I'm going out this weekend, and I think it was all white at the time, and she said, you know, she never know how to apply the makeup. And that time I was just start doing put on little makeup on myself. But at the time when I was going to work every morning, I always got my face beat before I go to work. I get up early, I shower, and then I would sit down having my coffee and sit down around my dresser, and I would be beating my face. And you know, the funniest thing about me, people saw me with nails. I have been doing nails like forever. Although these nails is not really fake nail, these are my real nail. What I do, I grow out my nail and then I apply when I go to the nail tech, I just ask them to apply the gel on it and then polish it. So it's not like I grow my nails, and that's what it is. I like to grow my nails. So when I was working at that place, every week I go to work, my nails done, my hair done. That time my daughter usually do my hair, my nails done, my hair done, and I would be looking so good going to work. So some people think, oh, and because of my age now, I'm trying to, you know, I always like to fix myself up. Ever since I know myself, I always like to fix myself up, and I still continue to do it. Like, it's a part of me, you know. I like to make sure that my body's clean. And if I can't find money to go to the hairdresser, like to platina braid, I sit down and do it myself. I just try to help myself at this age. I try to help myself. It's not like I don't have a health issue. I do have a health issue, but I try to help myself. And that's the most important thing for me. So we're gonna go back here, and I'm gonna show you the color that I use right now. I used this first. This was the first color I used above my brow bone there, and then I went into, I think, this one here and this one. So I'm gonna go back into this purple color here, and I'm gonna use the purple color above here, because whenever you put a color, make sure you have another color to just blend over that color to blend out the hash line. And I'm going into this really purplish color here to blend out this blue color. And every one of these color, you guys here, are very, very beautiful color. They are so pretty, and I really love using them right now. Like, I love using them. Yeah, so Yeah, so I'm just saying that you don't, do what, help yourself. Even if you retire and you can just sit down home and put on some makeup on yourself or do something. I help myself sometimes when I'm in the mood. If I'm not into the mood, sometimes I want to do it, but I would just sit down and just, say. But I do try to help myself to make sure that I do what I want to do. Um, when you retire, it's not like, I'm not saying that you're not supposed to take bed, but it's not good for you. It's not good for you, and that's why every morning I get up, take my shower, and move around my home. If I have something to do, I just move around and just do what I have to do. And that's how I do my day. I am in love, you guys. I'm in love with a girl, and it does my age. As the song says, I'm in love with a man nearly twice my age, but that's not true. My husband is a little bit good. Yeah, but I like to make sure that, and I like color. Color for me is, I'm not afraid of color. I'm not afraid of color. Color is something that I really like to use. I'm not afraid of it. I don't worry about color and say, okay, I'm too old for this color. No. Color, I'll wear it. I wear color, my friend. I will wear color. Yeah. Yeah, some people afraid of red lipstick. I'm not. I love red lipstick. I think red lipstick are sexy. Yeah, that's how I think anyway. So I like red lipstick. I don't have a problem with red lipstick. No problem whatsoever. I don't have with red lipstick. So I'm gonna clean up my eyes. I'm gonna clean up under my eyes here. And I'm using this. I remember years ago when this came in and my sister was alive, she always, like, when I'm going to Jamaica, she always asked me to bring one of this. The Ruby Kiss here. She always loved using this on her face. That's the only makeup she would use on her face. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna return. So guys, my look and my Wet n Wild new palette. So I have used this one here and I'm gonna swatch, let you see what I use. I also use this one here, which is very beautiful. And then I also use this one above my brow bone. And I also use this here, this color also. And then I use this one on my inner corner of my eyes. So I use 5. And this is how the color looks on my eyes. So I just want to say thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy my chit chat eyeshadow look, and God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.